May inamin nga itong si Klay Thompson patungkol dito kay LeBron James dito nga sa isang livestream na kanyang sinalihan. Well, ngayong off-season ay itong si Klay ay nasa Los Angeles, spending his summer nga dito sa kanyang hometown. Matapos din niya ng mga bali-balita na maaring itong si Klay daw ay mapunta sa Los Angeles Lakers via trade or via buyout. And well, habang nananatiling ang mga rumor ang mga yan ay etong ang si Klay Thompson ay sumali sa isang live stream kung saan marami nga siyang tanong na sinagot dito, kung saan isa na nga dito ay sino nga ang kanyang top players of all time. Ito, pakinggan natin ang sagot ni Klay.
Yeah,
Gotta
so
get that starting five.
dang. At center, I'm going Shaq.
Okay.
Gotta go Tim Duncan, big fundamental at the 4. At the 3, this just gets so hard. I mean, you can pick between Larry, LeBron, or KD. It's hard not to pick LeBron, bro. I gotta go Kobe at the 2. I love Mike, but I just gotta go. I grew up watching Kobe. I'm Steph at the 1. I'm loyal to my PG of the past, and
That's a good five.
it's a good
though.
5, right?
Well, ayon kay Thompson ay si Shaq, si Tim Duncan, si LeBron James, si Kobe, pati na rin si Stephen Curry. Ayan nga daw ang kanyang all-time starting 5 sa buong NBA history. And then natanong natin itong si Klay who was the toughest player he ever has to guard. At itong naging sagot ni Klay dyan. Pakinggan natin ulit.
This question is in. Who was the hardest player to guard?
LeBron. I mean, we saw him for four straight finals, and I haven't seen anyone control the game as well as he does. He can do everything on the court. He has no weaknesses. Because even early on his career, like when he went to his first finals, his first couple finals, his jump shot was a little shaky. By the time we saw him, man, that his jumper on the left wing was automatic, you know. So he was the toughest opponent I ever faced. No question.
Getting to it.
Yeah.
And well, without hesitation ay sumagot agad itong si Klay Thompson ay itong si LeBron nga daw ang the toughest player he ever has to guard. And well, talaga nga namang kanyang minention yung kanilang finals matchup for 4 straight years, kung saan wala pa nga daw nakikita talaga itong si Klay Thompson na kontrolin ang isang game kagaya nga neto ni LeBron James. Sabi niya, he can do everything on the court, he has no weaknesses. Sabi pa nga ni Klay na nung unang mga finals appearances daw ni LeBron sa Heat ay medyo shaky ang kanyang jumper, pero nung nasa Cavs na siya against the Warriors, abay automatic na nga daw ito. Kaya naman daw para dito kay Klay Thompson ay si LeBron James at wala nang iba ang toughest player he ever has to guard. At then ay actually coming from a elite perimeter defender. I think napanood nyo naman si Klay nung kanyang prime dito sa Golden State kung gaano nga kagaling siya sa depensa. Ka-level niya yung mga elite perimeter defender ngayon sa NBA. At ang nakakagulat pa nga dyan ay hindi pa si Klay ang best defender ng Warriors noon. Si Andre Iguodala pa nga rin. Pero si Klay ay namangha pa rin dito nga sa ginawa ni LeBron James against sa kanila during the 4 straight years na pag-aarap nga nila sa finals. Kaya nga't nasabi ni Klay Thompson, si LeBron James ang pinakamahirap na bantayan na player na kanyang kinaharap. Anyways, kayo ba na bang masasabi nyo dito? Anong inyong opinion? Komento nyo lamang yan sa ating comment section.